students, we must continue from where we have left, the next page. So here we have come to know till now that he became the king, and everyone believed that it has been done by the goddess because of his color. As you can see in picture also, all the jackals are brown in color, but he is blue or indigo. So they started serving him. So not only the jackals but other animals also started serving him. The tigers, lion, all of them became his slave, or they took him as their king. And you know what happened? Whenever he became proudy, he developed proud, and whenever he used to go anywhere, what he used to do? He used to ride on an elephant, lions and tigers on his left and right, and the packs of jackals behind him and in front of him. You know, students, he himself was a jackal, but he would not let any jackal come nearby him, because he started thinking that he is a king, he is not a jackal at all. So he kept tigers and lions on his right and left, but the jackals, he kept them away from him. So he would not let any fellow jackal anywhere near him. So after some time, what happened? One day, a wise old jackal said that you don't worry about him, because all the jackals, they actually started hating him because he did not treat them in a good manner. He himself was a jackal, but he did not treat them well. So they all were upset with him, they all were unhappy with him. So one day, one wise jackal, he said that don't worry about him, fellows, his time is up. As he was born one of us, who is he? He is actually a jackal. So he said, you don't worry about him. Now it is his time. Whenever someone forgets his identity, starts treating others badly, then that shows that his time is up. So you don't worry about him. His time is also up. He is no more going to be a king. But only one thing you have to do. Actually, he was very old and wise. So he gave them an advice. And what was the advice? See, what jackals do, they howl. They make a type of noise. The जोर से when they call out, oh, that is howling. So they produce this noise, and all of them do this in pack, in group. So one jackal could not be away from it when others are doing this. So he said, only what you have to do, whenever next time he'll come to the meeting, all of you start howling all together as much as you could do. So all the jackals, they accepted that thought. And next time when this jackal came for the assembly, came for the meeting, what happened? All of a sudden they praised him, and all the jackals, they started howling loudly. And this jackal, because he was a jackal, and he also heard that, and he also became very happy, and he joined other jackals. He forgot himself. He forgot that this time he is not a jackal, he has become a king. He forgot all those things, and he joined other jackals, because he could also howl very loudly. And when he was doing this, he was happy also, because he was born as a jackal. So children, students, whenever you are born like that, you could not leave that. You could not leave your traditions, you could not leave your family, you could not leave your customs, you could not leave your society. But jackal was doing so. He was leaving everything, he was leaving everyone. So he tried to do that. But when he howled, the lions, tigers, everyone heard him, and immediately come to know that he is no other king. He is just a jackal and trying to befool them. So all of them pounced on him and killed him. So that's why the wise people say that you can't change what you are born with. So you should not forget your real identity, your real, whatever you are, how you are born. You should not forget that. Whatever you become, you should remember your identity. You should remember that how or in what you are born with. A dog is a dog even when it sits in a palanquin. Palanquin means palki. In Hindi we call it palki. So if wherever you are getting respect, that is a different thing. But you should not forget your fellow members. You should not forget other you can say members in the society. So this was the mistake of Jekyll, students. He did so. He treated them badly, and that's why he came